Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update iPhone 15 to the latest iOS and ensure the device is unlocked by your carrier. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular. This is where eSIM lives. If you have a carrier QR code, choose Add Cellular Plan and point the camera. If you have an activation code, enter it manually or install via the carrier app. You do this to provision a digital SIM profile, so the network recognizes your device for calls and data. Once the plan is added, you must configure how the eSIM behaves. Tap the new plan and label it clearly, for example, primary or travel, because that label appears in phone and messages. Make sure to set your default voice line and choose which line handles cellular data. This prevents accidental roaming charges. For iMessage and FaceTime, select the line to use. Finally, review network settings and restart if the carrier asks. This ensures signal registration and proper SMS routing. To finish, validate the setup. Place a call, send an SMS, and browse to confirm data. If service is slow, toggle airplane mode or restart the phone to force network re-registration. If you're replacing a physical SIM, remove it once the eSIM is active to avoid conflicts. If something goes wrong, reset network settings or delete and re-add the eSIM. Call your carrier if activation errors persist. This sequence pinpoints configuration versus carrier provisioning problems, so you can resolve them quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.